Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be organizing my fidgets, my new fidgets, and yeah, you guys are gonna have to go to my other channel to go see why I have these new fidgets. So yeah, I literally just took the time to put this together for you guys to see me organize it. So yeah, give it a like if you want, a subscribe if you want. If you want to see more content like this, I would subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So yeah, I'm not really going to explain why I have these things because I already explained that in my other YouTube channel. And yeah, so I'm just going to be organizing them. I'm not really going to explain it. But yeah. So I don't really know how to like organize it because I haven't really thought of this yet. But yeah. So these are all my new fidgets and new little things that I got for my birthday. And yep. That's why I got these new things, is because of my birthday. Obviously, I just spoil it. Anyways, I'm going to be opening this up. Take it out of the packaging. That's what the packaging looked like. It's really cute, but we don't need it, so we're going to have to throw it away. So, yep, these are the little keychains. And I also got these, but we're gonna have to go over to my other channel to see like exactly what I got. So I'm gonna put these mesh bags down first. Your phone's on the sofa. Your phone's on the sofa. You heard, Crystal?
What?
I put your phone on the sofa.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta get it. Where's the white rice? Oh, I know I have it.
And that's gonna go there.
Jasmine rice.
This is gonna go there. And this is gonna go there.
Jasmine rice for Jasmine's birthday. See it?
This is gonna go there.
It says Thai Jasmina rice. Told you.
And I think this might be one of my favorite things that I got.
Jasmina rice.
Then I have this puppet.
Does your mom have a rice cooker, Dad?
No. I'm not going to take the time to do that because it's not going to fit anyway. So, this is my little organized box full of fidgets already. It's ready full. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you guys would like to see more content from me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Peace.